Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to install and enable hidden education themes in Windows 11. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand policy manager. Click and expand current, click and expand device, create new key named as education. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as enable edu themes, change value data to 1. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.